As I said, that this is a $1 million question, which will help to my stakeholders. And my stakeholders are not only the stakeholders of MMC, but my customers, who are the stakeholders of MMC, which I believe they should know. MMC started with a very humble beginning, with few projects in hand. We have delivered those projects, such as new build projects. We had corporate and financial advisory services to deliver to our client. We did some ship chartering. But at the same time, because of the recession, and this recession has taken the whole world, not only the maritime sector, on a grinding halt. We were doing project financing or project funding for one of our clients. 15% was the equity from the client and 85% was the debt. We arranged a lead arranger. And then, unfortunately, because of this recession, the projects got delayed. Out of 10 new builds, we have to bring down to 4 offshore supply vessels. But still, we were able to deliver. We were able to cope up. Right now, I should say that things are changing. It's getting better. There has been bailout from different sectors, from different nations. The entire globe, they are putting their hands together to combat this recession. We are not the only one in the market. If it affects the entire globe, it affects to MMC as well. We are there. But at the same time, we have a organizational, behavior which takes care of the customer needs with cost-effective manner, which is very important at this particular time. We can't afford to do things what we used to do earlier before the recession. So, with the time, we have to adapt new changes, and that is a challenging time for us as well. And we are very much, taking care of clients' need with minimal economic changes with the project which was before the crisis, and we are delivering on time.
If I asked you to tell me 3 reasons why MMC should be a customer's choice rather than any other company that is your competitor, what would you say are those 3 reasons?
First of all, I believe that there has to be a healthy competition, not to monopolize the situation. And for the client also, they should have a choice. It all depends how you deliver your project. The first thing is on-time delivery. The second thing, which is very important, is quality in whatever you do. The third thing, which is important for a client, and especially as a consultant, we should always be careful that it is cost-effective. These are the 3 important pillars of my strength today. Combining all these 3, I believe I'm satisfying my customer needs. And we think we are doing pretty good in that area, and we justify what we say.
In a lot of companies, it's about the team and the teamwork. How would you say your business associates help you in giving us what you just mentioned, cost, effectiveness, quality, and a timely product? How would you say they help you deliver that?
I always believe on team management. Any project which we take it, of course, we have a good synergy with our associates, but at the same time, we are always careful in picking our associates, and if they don't add value to my client, no matter they are my business partner or associate, we had to again think of choosing them for the next project. And as I said, today we are committed to develop synergy with our all the associate and to capitalize on the strength which are available with those companies, such as, for example, ETA Marsol, which is Marine Logistics Solution. It's a company which is a designated entity of ETA Ship Sale and Purchase Division, and which are involved in offshore vessel logistics solutions and OSVs they provide, which is called offshore support vessels. And they have been doing pretty good. And as and when we have a requirement from our client for such vessels, which needs to be worked with offshore companies or oil and gas companies, we pick ETA Marsol for the reason that their expertise is offshore vessels. Likewise, if someone is looking an entire legal and attorney support for a new build project to sign with the yard or to sign with the banks, we have our associate Fichte and Company, which is a legal consultancy and is the only international commercial law firm headquarters in Dubai, while maintaining a fully functional office in Tehran as well, and with high expertise in corporate and company law as well as in the special field of shipping law and related matters. As I said, ETA Marsol also has an Indian entity, which is ETA Marsol India Private Limited. It's a subsidiary of ETA Marsol at Dubai. And they are also engaged in business or offshore marine logistic, marine transportation, marine construction, and marine sales and purchase. If we have client out of India, we take care and we pick them together. We have Knowledge Center Shipping Private Limited, which is senior people retired from Shipping Corporation of India, and they were all the directors, and they formed this company with massive expertise with them. And if we need any project out of India, which comprises preparation of a specification for shipbuilding contracts or plan approvals or shipbuilding supervision, we take their services. We also provide through them sometimes training and formation of joint venture projects, including LNG and their executions, etc. The other companies which out of India is Carlton Industrial Engineers. Carlton Industrial Engineer, they are basically engaged in engineering, designing, construction, equipment, erections, and pre-commissioning services, repairs and refurbishments of rigs. We did a project which was a ONGC project. ETA Marsol, Dubai Dry Dock, and Carlton Industrial Engineers. They were the part of the consortium. And this particular project was delivered on timely manner, cost effective, as we say, with utmost quality. And right now we are also under discussion for a bigger EPC contract, almost 350 million dirham or 350 crore projects. We won't say who are the other partners in that because we are in discussion right now to sign a consortium. Once the consortium is signed and once we participate, we'll tell you in my next interview if you ask me. So as I said, my business associates are very important stakeholders for MMC, and on their combined expertise and strength, we are able to deliver the projects to the market and on time, and as I said, quality, which is very important, and cost effective.
Class Class NK, dedicated to ensuring the safety of life and property at sea and the prevention of marine pollution. With 6,742 ships and over 150 million gross tons under class, we also represent 20% of the world merchant fleet under class. Class NK, truly world class.